Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Equalizer preset for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. You have to start by open Smart Connect application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and right here at the left side we have EQ, what means equalizer, so tap at this line, and here is presets what Energy System offer for us. So here's 4 presets, and we can also create a custom one, and you can use a custom one if you made it. Now select the best one for you. Let's say I wanna extreme definition. Tap at the button at the right side, or if you have Android at the line, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!